So to start the new year, I decided to completely redo my shop. Got 2 new printers, and I wanted to do that sexy influencer shot with the lights and the stuff. Does it look cool? A little less distracting than maybe before. I had all my artwork up here before. I still got my Adam Savage bear suit schematics over here. But other than that, I put all my artwork on the living room side of the room. But yeah, so here's my shop. Work in progress. Yeah, I had this vision. I was going to buy that shelf. I was going to buy this. I was going to get a new camera. I was going to wait all this. And then I was going to start making videos again. Well, that's nonsense. It's never going to get done. 1 and 2, you know, you guys just want to see shit. So you don't care if it's done. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to be working on printing stuff for my shop. So the first thing I printed was these brackets for the filament wall here. So really happy. I want to continue playing around with making brackets for the moose landa shelf. Especially over here, I got another one of these shelves, and I have glues and paints, and I wonder if I could make like an organizer that would slide on here, and everything would have like a nice place. The other thing I need to make is I got just like a ton of props, different things I've made, and I want to give it a nice custom mount. Let me show you what I'm going to mount. I'm going to mount? Calm down. All right, yeah, let's run through them. So we got Ratchet and Clank Rivets Hammer. I also have the Hellboy Good Samaritan. But yeah, it's one of my favorites. And then of course Stormbreaker. Yeah, still not exactly sure. It's pretty heavy. I'm not sure what material I'm gonna have to use. Maybe like ABS. I've actually never printed an ABS, so maybe I'll do it with that. I don't know. We'll see. Also got the Mega Man blaster. Looks like the Mega Man blaster. I want to mount it somehow. You know, something like that. I need to make it so I can get like a black light that shines on the glow-in-the-dark puck to make it shine. Really cool. So yeah, that's the plan. Gonna be printing a bunch more stuff for the shop. If there's anything you guys printed for your shop that you love that helps you out, let me know. I love the inspiration. And I'll talk to you guys later.